So let's try doing a slightly more difficult question.
Here, the number of nitrogen atoms is the same on both sides, and it's also the same for oxygen. But we have 3 atoms of hydrogen on the left and 2 on the right. And since you said it's easier to operate using even numbers, to make hydrogen on the left even, I can put 2 in front. So now we have 6 hydrogen atoms on the left and 2 nitrogen atoms. So to balance this out, I should put 3 in front of water and 2 in front of nitrogen oxide. But for oxygen, there are now 5 atoms on the right and 2 on the left. Oh no, I'm stuck.
Well, okay, I think I'll also teach you one other approach to such kinds of questions. So let me just write this down for you. Right, so this is going to be a new approach. The sequence of checking out the initial elements will still be the same, but it is very important that you notice that on the left you have an odd number of hydrogen and on the right you have an even number. And no matter what numbers you add in front of these formulas, they will all become multiples of 3 and 2 on the left and the right respectively.
Yes.
So the best approach to handle odd versus even is to arrive at the nearest lowest common multiple, what we used to call LCM. All right, so the LCM, the lowest common multiple for 3 versus 2 is actually 6, right?
Yes.
So if we put a 2 here and we put a 3 here, then the number of hydrogens will already be balanced, okay, at 6. Then you can adjust this. Okay, this is like 2 nitrogens on the left, and therefore we make it 2 on the right as well. And the oxygen, right now we are at a troublesome spot. That's exactly where you ended up just now, right? So the best next thing that we can do is to go to the next common multiple. The next common multiple after 6 is 12. To make this 12, we have 4 in front here. To make this 12, we have 6 in front here. So the number of hydrogen atoms on left and right are both now packed at 12. 4 nitrogens on the left, so let's make this 4 on the right as well. So over here now, hydrogens and nitrogens are settled. Let's now see whether we can do oxygen. So on the right, we have 4 plus 6 oxygen. Total 10, right? So in order to get 10 on the left,
Ooh.
now we just put a 5.